Nude by B Summer Banner DIY. I am every woman. Do it yourself. I'm going to just walk through it, talk through it. Banner shoot. Alright, boom. This is a phone camera and a white wall, not a backdrop at all. And I did 4 shots kind of in the same pose, but I had already gotten my vision in the first one. So I was like, all right, boom, thank you, God. I want to get this done today. So I just kept it moving and went on to edit. This right here, I don't even know how I missed that. It's like little wrapping I left on the zipper. I edited it out. And now I'm in my workspace. It's my happy place. I love it here. This was just like a stark white and too harsh. So yeah, eased it out, smoothed it out a little bit. Now I'm getting into my textures and tones and playing around with that. I have a heavy hand when it comes to like saturation and vibrancy and things like that. So I kind of try to tell myself to chill out there. I do see my vein. I need a tan. I see my vein. If it was for somebody else, I would fill them out on it. But this my shit. So, you know, and I kind of feel like I like, because it's body, it's active, it's athleisure wear, it's fitness. So I like that rawness to it, that the skin, the flesh. And here now I'm playing around with fonts. Typology is huge for me. Fonts are big. It's just an entire language. You communicate more than you would ever even realize. So that's a big one for me. I'm big on it. And okay, I'm closing in on it. I probably did my little squint, my little one-eye squint. I look away. I look at it again, another squint. I'm probably satisfied. Yeah, I was, because then there it is. It's live. Nude by B on shopberry.com. It's live, it's up, it's running. And I hope this inspires whoever needs it. All right, guys. Journey in confidence and in grace.